So, do you think digital photography is better than film photography? Let's jump into it. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Ainsley Edwards and I'll be sharing my knowledge with you on using a film camera in this 21st century. You might ask yourself, which camera will fit your need? Is it a 35mm or is it a 6x6 medium format camera, or maybe a 4x5 large format camera? Please let me know in the comments below which of the three cameras you would like me to review on this channel. But the first person to comment on the camera of their choice, that will be the name of the next video in this series. Okay, thanks for your time. But before you go, please like and subscribe to see more videos.